Hello, dearies. Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we'll be looking at the continents of the world. Continents of the world. We're going to see or knowing the different continents found in the world. There are 7 in numbers. There are 7 continents. So what is a continent? What is a continent? If you ask that, define continents. Continents are the landmass of the earth. Different landmass found in different parts of the earth. As you can see, there are 7 in numbers. 1, we have Asia. We're going to be arranging this from the first or the largest to the smallest continent. So Asia is the first largest continent in the world, and they have a lot of population. Now let's go to Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Now let's go to the next, which is North America. North America. What is it about North America? North America is the third largest continent in the world, meaning they are the one that have the third large mass area in the world. Now let's go to the next continent, which is what? South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. The fourth largest continent in the world. Now let's go to the fifth one, which is called the Antarctica. What did I say? Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world. The fifth largest continent in the world. The sixth continent we are going to be looking at, which is Europe. Now, Europe is the sixth largest continent in the world. The seventh one you'll be talking about, which is the seventh continent, is what? Australia. Australia, as you can see, Australia is the smallest continent in the world. So these are the various 7 continents in the world. So let's learn it one more time. Let's go around again one more time. 1, which is what? Asia. 2, we have what? Africa. Third continent, which is what? North America. The fourth, which is South America. And then we have what is called, you can guess, we have Antarctica, the next continent. We have Europe, which is the what? 6th. Now we can guess the last one, we have what? Australia, which is the smallest continent in the world. Now let's see some practical questions. 1, we're going to be asking you, how many continents are in the world? Can you get the answer? There are 7. Correct. You are right. There are 7 continents in the world. The second practical question I'm going to ask is, name 7 continents of the world. So where are you going to start? We're going to start from the largest to the smallest. So what is the largest? Asia. Correct. The second, which is called what? Africa. You are correct. You are right. Now North America. You are right. We have what? South America. You are right. Now the next one, we have what? Antarctica, which is the what? 5th one. Now we have what? Europe, which is 6th. Then we have what? Australia, the 7th continent in the world. Wow, you got them correctly. Now, which is the first largest continent? Who can guess? This is largest continent is what? The first is what? The first largest continent is what? Asia. Correct. The first largest continent is what? Asia. Which is the second largest? Can you get it? Second largest, which is Africa. Right? Correct. Africa. which is the second largest. Now, which is the third largest continent? Third largest continent. Can anybody get it right? Third largest continent. We have what? North America. Correct. That's lovely. That's lovely. Now, which is the fourth largest continent? Who can get it? We have what? South America. South America, the fourth largest continent. Which is the fifth largest continent of the world? We have what's called what? Antarctica. Lovely. You got it right. Antarctica. Antarctica. Now, which is the sixth largest? Who can get it? Who can get it? Who can get it? We have what? Europe. Right, lovely. Europe is the sixth largest. The last but not the least, which is the smallest continent, the seventh continent, which is called the smallest continent, is Australia. Australia. Very correct. Australia. So these are the 7 continents of the world. So kids, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you guys in the next lesson. Stay safe. Bye bye.